This video is sponsored by unolist.com. All right, we bought this Birdbath from Walmart on sale. It was a good price, $12.50 or so last week. So we're going to be assembling this one and see how it goes. Okay, it's fairly easy to put it in. This is everything has to be just screwed in. So it's got all threads. Okay, we're putting a top piece on at this point. Goes in very easily, so almost there. Let's put the two birds on the top. That's it. There's not much to it. It comes with 3 of these ground clips. All you have to do is, once this thing is on the ground, just put them in here like that. Push it into the ground, and it's gonna on all 3 sides. One here, one over here, and one over here. It should hold it on the ground. Let's just make sure it's level. So it's level this way. So the water's got to stay in here, so let's make sure it's level. Yeah, we gotta adjust that a little bit. Okay. That looks good too. Okay, let's put these in the ground just so that they hold them in place. Alright. Turn it up. Alright, we're ready to go. Let's fill it up with water. Hopefully, birds will get a good drink of water here.